All right, here we are with lesson 68 of the 5th grade Excel. We have a live studio audience here for the math lesson today. We got Eli and Fabian. Say hello, Eli and Fabian.
Hi.
There they are, okay. Eli's absorbed into his Harry Potter book, not even paying attention. Shame on you, Eli. All right, today we're going to learn how to change an improper fraction to a mixed or whole number. Changing an improper fraction to a mixed or whole number. Let's review what that means. An improper fraction is a fraction where the numerator or the head is the same size or bigger than the butt. So if you have 6/5, that's an improper fraction. A proper fraction would be 1/4, 3/4. These are proper fractions. This is an improper fraction. 8/8 is also an improper fraction. So we're going to change these types of fractions here into whole numbers. Whole numbers would be like 6, or mixed numbers. Mixed numbers are like 4 1/3. Hey, they like that joke. Okay, so 4 1/3 is a mixed number, and this 6 is an example of a whole number. Let's go ahead and start reading the lesson. The fraction 4/4 says that you are referring to all 4 parts of a pie that has been cut into 4 equal pieces. A simpler way of saying this is to use the whole number 1. So, if 4/4 is equal to 1, because here's your pie, you cut it into fourths, 4 of the 4 pieces, that's 1 whole pie, then 8/4, here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, there's 8/4, is equal to 2 wholes. There's 1 there, 2 there. Another way of doing it without the cuts is right there. 2 whole pizzas. What do you think? Does that look like me? Well, anyway, okay. The denominator tells you that each whole will have 4 equal parts. This tells you that each whole is going to have 4 equal parts. Since you have 8 of those parts, then you must have 2 wholes. All right, let's take a look at number 2. 7/4. Here's a picture of 7/4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7/4, and that's actually equal to 1 whole here, and then 3/4 right there. So the answer is 1 3/4. Is this easy so far for you guys?
What?
Huh? Okay, when the numerator of a fraction is greater than or equal to the denominator, it is called an improper fraction, as I showed to you earlier. Convert each of these improper fractions to a whole number or a mixed number. You can draw pictures if they help to see how the fractions convert. And let's go ahead and draw pictures. 5/3. So if I take 1 whole, cut it into thirds, I've got 1, 2, 3/3. And this is 5/3, so I need 2 more thirds. So that means I could do the same thing again here, and I've got 2 more thirds there. So what do I have? I have 1 whole, a third, and a third. That's equal to 2/3. So I have 1 2/3. All right, 7/3 and 6/2. Why don't you go ahead and try those two? Pause the video until you're ready to see the answers. Okay, here's 7/3, just like the last one. There's 3/3. 1 more. How many is that, you guys?
What?
Huh? Oh, they're not paying attention.
6.
6. Okay, good. Very good, Fabian. He can count to 6. And then 1 more third there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7/3. Here we have a whole, here we have a whole, and here we have 1/3 at the end. So the answer is 2 wholes, right there and right there, and 1/3 after you got the 2 wholes. 6/2. There's 2 halves, 4 halves, 6 halves. So altogether we have 1, 2, 3 wholes. Now there's actually a shorter way to do this instead of drawing pictures. And what you will notice is that this is actually a division problem. What kind of problem is it?
A division problem.
Good. You're not supposed to eat your ruler or your bookmark at the same time you're talking there. Your bookmark. Okay. So 5/3 is actually a division problem. It means 5 divided by 3. 3 goes into 5 one time, and there's a remainder of 2. 1 time, remainder 2. And what is that remainder 2 of? It's thirds. same denominator. Same thing on 7/3. I can consider this a division problem, so I do 7 divided by 3. That goes in 2 times. 3 times 2 is 6, and I have a remainder of 1. So 2 and 1/3, same as that one. This is just simply 6 divided by 2. What is 6 divided by 2? 3. Let's try one more page like this, and then we'll have it. Okay, go ahead and try these. Do them as division problems. Remember, the remainder becomes the new numerator. The whole number that it goes into is the whole number. So try 6 through 11, pause the video, and turn it back on when you're ready to see the answers. Okay, this first one, you do not need to write this on your paper, but just so you can see, it's 5 divided by 1. 5 divided by 1 is 5. This one is the same thing as 13 divided by 5. 13 divided by 5 is 2. 2 times 5 is 10. Again, you don't need to write all this. You can just do it in your head. 13 minus 10 is 3, so you have a remainder of 3. So this answer is 2 and 3. The remainder comes up here, 3, and we keep the same denominator, 2 and 3/5. This is 11 divided by 4. 4 goes into 11 2 times. 2 times 4 is 8. 11 minus 8 is 3. So it's 2 remainder 3, or 2 and 3/4. Again, keep the same denominator there. Okay, let's see if these guys, the giggle boys in here, can help me with 16/6. What do I do for this one?
16 divided by 6.
How many times does 16 go into 6?
2 times.
Okay. What's 2 times 6?
12.
12, they say. And what's the leftover?
4.
2 and
4, 6.
4, 6. Good. And can I reduce that? 2
Yes.
and
2/3.
2/3. Eli got it. So that's, you don't have to do this at this point in time, but just so you can get a little preview of what's coming. Number 10, 8 divided by 1. Ooh, that's a hard one. What's 8 divided by 1?
I don't know.
8, okay. And tell me what you're supposed to do for number 11. Go.
12 divided by 3, which
12
is
divided by
4.
3, they say, which is 4. Okay. Good job, gentlemen. And that's it for this lesson. Thanks for watching.